Hey guys, Colin here, and let's give an update on what's happening with Bitcoin. So we broke this level of support, right? We were talking about the importance of us holding support on this level. We broke, but some things to remember here. I think any dumps or any further dumps to come will be pretty short-lived because we're on the daily time frame. And take a look, guys. Maybe I'll do a video a little bit later, but how many times have we gotten below 30 on the RSI on the daily time frame? How many times has that happened and it not been an incredible time to buy? Last time that happened, look at down here when Bitcoin was at 31,000, came back down and bounced again at somewhere around 34,000, something like that. But just buying here on the daily RSI, look at what that led to. This was in May, and by October, within 4 or 5 months, you saw from 30,000 to 60 something thousand. So over 100% gains in about 5 months. Right? Again, here we are dumping below this area, but overall, if you look at this one, this big time frame here, let's look at the weekly, right? This is, I would say, for us to be in trouble short term. All right, there is this possibility that I know we don't want to look at, but when we broke this price range on the weekly time frame, we never came back down to retest. To be honest with you, I was waiting for a retest on 20,000. I was waiting on that thing when we first broke out, and I waited and I waited. And the thing ran all the way up to 40 something thousand, and it just kept going. But this is normally what you get, right? It's supposed to be a retest when you break out from a significant level of resistance, which was what this was from 4 years ago. We broke out and we never came back down and tested it, right? So we cannot rule out the possibility that 20,000 is a possibility, okay? However, not going there now. First things first is on the weekly candles. We've broken this level so far, but we gotta wait. There's still 2 days left in this week. We don't know if we're gonna get another large candle and then it's gonna get bought up and come back up. We don't know yet. However, based on something like this, I would expect a completion of the move at least to 35,000. That's the next level to see if we hold support, and then again at 30,000 to see if we hold that, right? So those are the next two levels of support that you're looking for. Again, we go on the weekly, we see again this level. If I'm drawing out another line here, look at this, okay? We can see that this is a significant level. We've bounced off of this several times. So again, this is the 28,000, call it $30,000 level, right around here, right? We want to see that whole support for sure, because if we don't, the measured move for that is not pretty. But I would expect 20,000 to hold pretty strong, right? That's what I would expect. I'd expect it to hold pretty strong. So let's see, right? So that's what we're looking for on the monthly chart. We have not touched the 50-month in a long time. Now, first things first, we got to come back and hit this median, right? We've never come down and hit the median on the Bollinger Bands. So the median level on the Bollinger Bands is $35,700, somewhere around that range, right? 35, 36,000. So I would expect us to come down and touch this Bollinger Band first. No telling yet if that's going to mean we're going to see further downside. But we also notice that the 50-month moving average is right at 20,000. So if we came down and kind of completed that move, structurally, I wouldn't see anything wrong with that, right? Structurally, I wouldn't see anything wrong with that. The other thing is, because of how we've come up here, like this. That means on the monthly, right, we could see, kind of boring activity for Bitcoin maybe for another few months. And because this thing needs to cool off, and maybe we come down to this area before we start taking off again. Right? So these are all possibilities, right? No one knows for sure what's going to happen. We do know that for sure, long term, Bitcoin's fine, right? Bitcoin's fine. But in the short term, for those people who are short term traders, then these are the things that you're looking out for, because you don't know what's going to happen. Based on what happens, then you know how to react as a trader, a short term trader. Okay. So yep, guys, look out for that. Okay. And just a reminder that January 30th, right? January 30th, we have the NFT, my NFT collection that's launching, which is the Paradise Predators, guys. If you go on nftkman.com, you can join the mailing list, so that you can get notified of when the public mint has actually started. And you see that I have a countdown right here, right? So you can come back to this page for the mint. This is going to be some big stuff, guys. I have it packed with value for you guys. Again, you can follow us on Instagram, follow us on Twitter, join the Discord group, where I'm inside the Discord group. I have cool competitions, cool giveaways, and more like real-time updates on the Discord group, right? And of course, we're talking about these things that bring this real utility in the Cayman Islands, right? So we're talking about discounts off of Stingray tours, fishing charters. You can buy your NFT and you can hold it, right? You can travel later on this year. You can travel next year if you want. You're going to still be able to use your NFT to get discounts off of all of these cool things, right? Or maybe gift somebody an NFT as well, right? And somebody's coming to the Cayman Islands. Hey, you know what? Let me give you a little present. Go down there. You can save some money while you're getting all these cool experiences. And we're going to be adding more and more to come. So you can view the partners page where you can book from their sites, and just let them know that you have, this is after the launch, of course. Let them know that you have a Paradise Predator NFT. And when you get there, you show them that in your wallet, right? Show them your NFT in your wallet, because you can carry it around with you, and then get your discount, right? We have our roadmap here that's laid out in terms of what it is we're trying to do, what it is we're doing, right? More great things to come for Paradise Predator holders, guys. So don't miss it. Go ahead, get on the mailing list, join the Discord group. Fantastic things coming. Take care, guys. Until then.